Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful water marble nail design. So in a cup of room temperature tap water, I'm going to apply blue, yellow, and pink. Now I'm doing this color combo because I want to mix the colors together. So as we all know, yellow and blue make green, and then the pink and the yellow make orange, and then the blue and the pink make purple. So this is kind of my little cheat sheet. Instead of adding all those different colors, I just do this to help blend the colors together. Now I'm using regular nail polish, not inexpensive, not water marbling polish. I'm using pure ice and simple colors. Like I said, with all my water marbling videos, if you watch them, play around with the different polishes to see which ones work in water. Some may not work in water. Now, I was going to leave the design like this, but then I decided let me add a little spiral to this design. It's a really abstract water marble nail design. I have to say, I love the look of it. It came out so cool. One of my favorite water marble nail designs. And I'm not trying to be like, over, exaggerating, but I have to say I did love the finished look of this water marble design. It's just something fun and a cool look. Like I said, water marbling is not easy to do, but take your time doing it. A lot of times I get comments from people saying they tried water marble and they're so over it. Keep on trying with it. Once you get the hang of it, you're going to be able to do so many fun, cool nail designs. And as you can see, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.